What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create whiteboard animation videos in Canva. So right here in Canva we have our canvas, and while we have this we're going to go over to elements. You're going to search for sketch. Now sketch will bring out some designs that are related to sketch. We're going to stick to graphics. We're going to click on graphics right here, and then we're going to select some graphics which we would like to use for our animation. We're going to choose this one right here, this bulb. Scroll down for a few more. Going to choose the heart and say this arrow. Great. And of course we could go ahead and make some writings. You can go ahead and click on your canvas, and on your keyboard you can simply type T, and this will create a text box. Go ahead and write some information. So we have this heart insights, and we're going to increase the font size and say we have just this. The next thing we're going to do is to save this page in a JPG format. So go ahead at the top, click on share, then click on download. Now you're going to change the file type from MP4 to JPG. Click on download. Make sure you're selecting the right page. So we've selected page 10, as you can see right here. Click on download. Now after saving it, we're going to go over to the top and click on the plus icon to create a new tab, and then we're going to choose video. Now that we have our new video canvas opened, we're going to scroll down to look for apps. So right here we have apps, going to click on it, and then we're going to search for speed paint. You're going to have to search for it like this. So speed paint as one word, press enter, and there you have speed paint. Click on it, click on open, then we'll need to choose the file which we saved as a JPG format. So go ahead and choose the file and upload it. So now we have our image, and you have some settings right here, such as overall smoothness. We're going to leave it at 60 frames per second. The sketch duration is currently at 10 seconds. We could take it to about 2 or 3 seconds. Basically up to you. If your sketch has a color, you're going to have to set the color field duration. Also select the hand style you'd like to use. We're going to go ahead with this one, and you can see the different sketch types. You can see some more options by clicking on see all. We're just going to go ahead with this one, and we have the background. We're going to leave it at white, background color leaving it at white as well. And then you have the drawing order. We're going to have text at the end because we want the drawings to come first and then the text at the end. Good. So then the next thing you'll need to do is to click on sign up or log in. In order to use it, you'll need to sign up or log into the app. So click on sign up or log in. Then you might have this pop up. So we're going to go ahead and say log in with Google. So now that we're signed in, we're going to click on animate. So give it a few moments for this to turn it into a speed paint job. As you can see, it's been successful. We're going to close this up a bit. And right here we have our speed paint job. So before we have a look, we'll need to stretch this to fit the size of our video frame. So we can go over to the bottom right corner, and when this is highlighted, we can press on the Alt key on our keyboard and drag it to the corner. This ensures that we're dragging it and it maintains its central position. So right now we can go ahead and press on play. Great, let's have a view in full screen. And this is how you can create whiteboard animation videos in Canva.